I think it worked for some folks. I don't think it was super popular. Most people kind of just wanted out. But you know, it probably kept some money from going out the door. But yeah, I mean, for me, the experience was, I don't think I knew anything about hedge funds beforehand. And then I kind of joined this group and was exposed to, you know, this whole world of hedge funds that I found sort of endlessly fascinating. And that I kind of, you know, came back from that internship with my head spinning, like, I've got to figure out, you know, what I even just experienced and what that all was.
You kind of went into the eye of the storm of like the craziest like hedge fund scandal or fraud scandal, a pyramid scheme in like the last 20 years or whatever it was.
It was pretty nuts, but you know, I thought it was cool being able to, I thought working for a fund to fund was really interesting, and that you could kind of, as you dug into the portfolio, there was, you know, 30 different hedge funds in each portfolio that were all sort of, you know, employing different strategies, working in different geographies, and all had these like weird names that were, you know, like a Lord of the Rings reference or this reference. And I just like, it felt like this whole Pandora's box of this world that I just, you know, really knew nothing about. And the more that I dug into, you know, one fund versus another fund, the more I wanted to kind of understand how it all worked and what the different investment strategies were.